All right, we'll take a look at exterior angle theorem, and all that means is this. Well, let me first prove it to you. All right, so all angles in any triangle, they add up to what? 180. So to find this missing one, I would do 180 minus the 2 that I have, so minus 75 minus 75. So the missing one would be 30, right? So this would be 30. And then do you see the straight line? What do you know about angles on a straight line? They add up to 180, right? So if I did 180 minus the 30 that I already have, I would get 150. So this angle right here, angle 1, would be 150, right? But there's a shorter way of getting that 150. So this could call the exterior angle theorem. What it says is that when I add the angles that are not attached to the exterior one that I'm finding, so not attached to this, not this one, when I add the other two angles, so this plus this, it's going to give me the exterior. So 75 plus 75 will give me 150. And you see that it works. So that's called the exterior angle theorem. It's really that simple. So find the two that are not attached to what you're looking for on the outside. Add them together, so 37 plus 31, which would be 68. And that would give you this angle outside. Okay, I say it again. Not attached to the exterior, the other two angles. So you add them up, 88 plus 53. And that will give you the one on the exterior. So obviously they're going to change the question around, right? But the process is exactly the same. When you add the two that's not attached to the exterior, so when I add these two angles, call that x, it's going to give me this. So let me set that up in an equation. What I'm saying is x plus 43. When I add those two, it's going to give me 117. Take this to the side. So x is 117 minus 43, which is 74. And that makes sense. So if I say that this is 74, when I add the two furthest, they're going to give me that. So 74 plus 43 will give me 117. Okay, so you can go forwards, backwards, it doesn't matter. The concept is the same. So what does it say? When you add the two that are not attached to the exterior, they give you the exterior. So 106 plus 39 is 145. Okay, so when you add the two that's not attached, it's going to give you the exterior. So 78 plus 56, which is 134. When you add the two that's not attached, so when I add these two, so let's label this y or something. When I add them, they're going to give me that outside. So y plus 57 is going to give me 127. So take that to the other side, and you're going to say 127 minus 57. So y is going to be 70. So this is 70, which makes sense because 70 plus 57 is 127. Okay, so again, when you add the two that are not attached, they're going to give you the outside. Again, when you add the two that are not attached, so y plus 36 is going to give you the outside. So take this to the other side, subtract. So it's 66 minus 36. That's going to give me y. So again, the concept remains the same. I don't care what they do. Okay, the concept remains the same. You just have more work to do. When I add the two that's not attached, it's going to give me that one. So that's what I do. I add the two that's not attached. So a plus this, a minus 36 equals the outside, a plus 49. Boxes and circles. Let's move all the boxes on this side and all the circles on this side. So that's going to be negative a, that's gone, plus 36, that's gone. So you're going to have a plus a minus a. So 2a, a. So you're going to have a. 49 minus 36, 13. So a is equal to 13. And then just make sure that you're answering the questions. So they're asking you for a, so a is 13. Sometimes I'll ask you for one of these angles and you have to plug it in. So a is 13. What did I do? Why did I subtract? Why did y'all just watch me subtract? 66 plus 36. It clearly says add, so 102. Why am I adding 66? I'm clearly tripping. 49 plus 36. Jeez, 85. See, even Miss Ainley makes mistakes. All right, the two furthest add up to this. So 60 plus 41, 101. The two furthest add up to this. So really, 46 plus something is that. So if I subtract the 46, I will get the missing 1 and 2. All right. So again, the two furthest add up to this. So you just got to write it out. B minus 49, that's that, plus this, B minus 33, equals B plus 28. All right, take B to the other side, so that's minus B on this side. Take this to the other side, plus 33, and I'm not going to make that mistake again. All right, oh, and this one, plus 49. All right, so I'm going to get B plus B is 2B, minus B is B. And then we'll punch all this in the calculator. So 28 plus 33 plus 49 is going to be 110. B is 110. And make sure you answer the question. B is 110. All right, so same thing again. The two furthest add up to the exterior. So C minus 45 plus C minus 46. So these two together add up to this, equals C plus 28. All right, take C to the other side, so it's minus C. Take this to the other side. Take this to the other side. C minus C is nothing, plus C is C. And then punch all that in the calculator. 28 plus 46 plus 45. We're going to get 119. So C is 119. Make sure you're answering the question. Sometimes you have to plug it in. So 119. All right, I'll do one more. This plus this is this. So B minus 48 plus B minus 48 plus this, B minus 15, equals the outside, B plus 33. All right, take B to the other side. That's going to be negative B on that side. Take this to that side. That's going to be add 15. And then take that to the other side. That's going to be add 48. B plus B is 2B, minus B is B. Then 33 plus 15 plus 48 is 96. So B is 96. Make sure you're answering the question. B is 96. Okay.